Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Virupaksha AESA radar for Su-30 Mk1. In a significant development for India's military modernization, the DRDO has confirmed the existence of Project Virupaksha, an ambitious project aimed at upgrading the Su-30 Mki fighter jets with advanced active electronically scanned array radars. According to Mr. B.K. Das, the Director General for Electronics and Communication Systems at DRDO, Project Virupaksha will equip the Su-30 Mki with the AESA radar, offering enhanced capabilities such as simultaneous radar functionalities, air surveillance, air-to-ground targeting, and weapon control. Next, modified Nilgiri frigate to Brazil. In a strategic move to deepen defense ties, India has proposed a modified version of its Nilgiri class frigate to the Brazilian Navy. This offer comes as Brazil is expanding its naval capabilities with the Tamandaré class frigate program. Currently, Brazil operates the Tamandaré class frigate, the Zeronimo, the Albuquerque, with 3 more under constructions. Next, DAMROI to establish new maintenance hub in Noida. Dassault Maintenance and Repair Organization India is set to significantly bolster the Indian Air Force with the establishment of a new maintenance hub in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This state-of-the-art facility will specialize in servicing the IAF's fleet of Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets, promising faster turnaround times and cost efficiency. Next, offering Rafale as flying testbed for AMCA engine program. French aerospace engine manufacturer Safran has offered to collaborate with India in the development of a new engine for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, India's 5th generation fighter program. As part of its roadmap, Safran has proposed using the Dassault Rafale fighter jet as a flying testbed for the new engine. Next, INS Satpura celebrates 13th anniversary. The Indian Navy's multi-role frigate INS Satpura marked its 13th anniversary on August 20th. Named after the majestic Satpura mountain ranges, the frigate has been an invaluable asset to the Indian Navy, serving with distinction in various operational roles. Next, Unified Complex Radio Antenna related technologies. India and Japan on Tuesday reaffirmed their commitment to maintaining and strengthening the rules-based international order founded on the principles of the UN Charter, respect for national sovereignty and territorial integrity, and appreciated the progress made for the transfer of Unified Complex Radio Antenna Unicorn and related technologies and early signing of related arrangements. Next, Malaysia supports India's permanent membership in UN Security Council. Defense and security are important area of the ties between the two countries, the Minister of External Affairs said on Tuesday. Malaysia also supports India's bid for permanent membership in the UN Security Council. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim had extensive discussion on the trade and commerce, on defense and security, on cultural exchanges, people-to-people ties, on emerging areas like digital technologies, semiconductors, renewable energy, and sustainable development. Next, over 10 consortia invest interest in SSLV. More than 10 companies and consortia have evinced interest in manufacturing the small satellite launch vehicle, that is SSLV, with a few being shortlisted as potential bidders for the transfer of technology, ISRO chairman S. Somnath said on Tuesday. He said that selected industry partner will first develop 2 SSLVs with assistance from ISRO over a 2-year period before venturing out on its own to build rockets to place small satellite in low Earth orbits. Thank you.